Hello and welcome to Martin Lucas Investors channel. My name is Sensei Crypto and we are going to be doing a very important live stream today. If you're watching this later on as a video, please do hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. It is an amazing day in the cryptoverse. We've got XRP. What we're going to be discussing is XRP, the road to $10, because that's looking more and more likely. We've got the strategic reserve. We're going to be seeing what other coins can be part of it. What does that mean for XRP? Are they going to be buying the XRP? We need to look 10 steps ahead now. We need to get focused on what that means for the future. The ETF news, we're going to be looking at the SEC versus Ripple, what that can do for the market, how we can get involved and get the SEC to drop the case. Is it next? We have seen a flurry of SEC cases being dropped with the new administration, the new SEC. And then potentially the Ripple IPO, which can also help us to get to that $10 range. So it is going to be a very exciting video. So please do stay tuned. We are looking at the price of XRP right now, sat at $2.86. That is up 30% on the day. Let's just go back to a couple days ago when we were live, and this is why it's so important to make sure you guys are subscribed. Is every big news, whether it's a dump, whether it's a pump, we're going to be live. I'm going to be showing you my honest thoughts and opinions. And on that note, I need to tell you anything I say during this live stream, or if you're watching as a video, or anything you ever hear me say is not financial advice. Please do not follow my trades. Please do not think what I do is right for you. Every person's situation is very different. Cryptocurrencies are very volatile. You can lose all your money because the crypto goes to zero. You can lose all your money because the exchanges get hacked. There's many ways you can lose your money. It's a very high risk investment. Some people don't even consider it an investment. I disagree, but that's their prerogative. That's fine. Everyone has their own opinion, but do not follow me. If you make money, that's on you. If you lose money, that's on you. I'm just doing this so I can share you my journey, my thoughts, my opinions, educational content based on the charts and entertainment purposes as well, because sometimes it's fun to be part of the cryptoverse. I'm basically all in on XRP, but that's because my risk tolerance is very high. I don't mind losing it all, but that's again, subscribe, because we're going to be live every single time anything happens. We were live this morning with the news being put out. I told you exactly where I was selling, $2.98 on my trade. Why did I sell there? Because a couple days before I came on when everyone was panicking about the correction in the markets, and I said it looks like what will be very bullish is XRP coming back down to $2, coming down and creating a double bottom scenario. There is very strong support around the $2 range. Not only the bull market support band, which is some moving averages, the weekly moving averages, it's also horizontal support that we've been eyeing up for weeks. We had that initial move to the downside. That's where we bought last time. It pumped 70%. We took profits the next day. This is my trading portfolio, not my long-term portfolio. I bought down there at 178 to the dollar. To the cent, really. 178 was where we're looking, and that's exactly where it went. The next day it was up 80%. Of course I'm going to sell that position. Then it went sideways. Then we said be careful, it's probably going to come back down to this $2 range. We've seen this over and over again. Big moves to the downside result in big moves to the upside straight away, and then over time, over the next couple of days, weeks, you see it come back down to those levels. And it made complete sense because $2 range is very strong. So we came back down there. I said we're going to come back down there. Again, I'm never 100% sure, but when I look at charts and when I've seen it over the years, I can make some educated guesses. And $2, we came back down there. I bought there. I opened up a trade. I haven't traded on leverage in a while, and I did. Bought at $2. And then earlier today, I said I'm selling the majority of that trade, because if you look at the percentages within a day, you're looking at 53% on a 2x leverage trade. That's doubling my money in 2 days' time. So of course, it was a technical level, $2.98, basically at that $3 range, that 1618 from the 2021 highs. I took some profits. But now we're going to discuss what's coming up next, why this week's so important. Friday, we're going to have that big talk, the crypto summit, what this strategic reserve means. Again, technical levels, while we're looking at the chart. It's $3. I didn't sell my position because I'm bearish. I sold my position because I doubled my money in a day, and that's just my trading position. I'm still bullish on XRP. I see a road to $10 this cycle, and I see a road to $100 over the next 4 years. So I'm super bullish on XRP. I might regret one day selling it at $3, but I plan to use that money to invest in XRP. One way or another, whether it's in the bear market, whether it's through trading, through my next trade. But hopefully, I don't regret it when XRP might be at $100 one day. So the reason $2.98, $3 is very significant is because that's the 1618 from the 2021 highs. That's a Fibonacci level. That's a level that we're looking to get back above. And it looks like we can. It is not the momentum is there in the crypto market now. The momentum's shifting, so I reckon $3 is an important level to get back above. I do see a path getting back above that, and then it's the all-time highs. Once you break all-time highs, it's price discovery, and we're looking at the road to $10. So I'll share with you my thoughts on what's going to happen in the cycle this year and where I'll be taking my profits. Recently, I came out with a video telling you I've changed. I wasn't bullish enough. I've changed my strategy. My strategy has been, and the more I look at the crypto market, the more I'm happy that I changed my strategy. My strategy was initially, for the last 3 years, when we come up to $4 to $5, most of my profits would have been taken. But analyzing this crypto run, analyzing this digital asset reserve, which we thought was going to be a Bitcoin reserve, and now it's turned out to be an XRP reserve. Over the last few weeks, we've learned that, and today we've got confirmation that XRP is going to be part of it. Over the last few months, we only thought it was going to be a Bitcoin reserve. That is a reason why I've turned more bullish. Another reason I turned very bullish was because Bitcoin was still around 100,000. Altcoins were 80% down, and XRP was holding its own above $2. That means when the altcoin season comes, it can go up to 3-4x, while the other altcoins go up 10-15x. So we're in a better position than the other altcoins, while we haven't even seen altcoin season yet, in my opinion. So that's why I came out with a video. I said I'm not bullish enough, and I've changed my strategy. My strategy was, by the time we get to $4 to $5, 50% of my strategy, 50% of my profits within this, within my position of XRP would have been taken. But now, I've changed it. I'm not going to take as much profits at these levels. I might take profits to trade out. However, I'm looking to only take out 20%, 10% on each level. I'm looking to take 10% out at $4.70, 10% out at $5.33. 10% out at $6.37, 10% out at $7.41, and then I'm looking to maybe take 20% out at $8.51, and another 20% just below $10, and towards the $11 to $13. I will be keeping a little bit on the side. So we're looking at 10, 10, 10, 30, 40, 50%, then about 20% there. So about 70% of my position will be taken out before we reach $10. Again, I don't know if we're going to hit $10, but if we do, by that point, I would have taken 70% of my profits. Whereas before, I would have taken about 60% of profits before we even reach $6. So I'm really pushing to $10. I do think $10 is more likely now, and I'm happy to take on that risk. For some people, the move today is enough to take profits. For me, I'm happy to take on that risk. And then I do have further take profit zones, which I'm going to be leaving some in the bag, $18 and $33 in best case scenarios. What we're looking for those targets of $10 to be reached is 3 things. One would be the SEC case coming to an end. And that brings me on to an important point. If you are enjoying the video so far, please do hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Remember to hit the bell icon. Every big piece of news throughout this cycle this year is going to be very important. Taking profit is the hard part, and that's what we're going to start doing in the next stage of this bull market. So please do subscribe, hit the bell. Anything important will be going live, and you don't want to miss it. So the first thing that needs to happen is the SEC needs to drop the case against Ripple, and we're doing something about it. We need to celebrate. We've just hit 1,500 signatures on the petition. We're creating a petition. This is something we can actually do something about. We can't do much about the ETF. We can't do much about the IPO, but the XRP holders, the people around the world can do something about the SEC's case, and that's what this is about. We've created a petition demanding the SEC to drop the unjust lawsuit against Ripple. Click on the link. It's in the description. It's in the live chat. First name, last name, email. Wait for the. You have to sign the petition, but to confirm your signature, it won't work unless you confirm your email when it comes through. Our aim here is to urge the SEC to drop the case against Ripple Labs immediately, collaborate with industry stakeholders to establish clear, fair, and consistent guidelines that support the growth of the cryptocurrency sector in the United States, focus on protecting investors through transparent regulation rather than litigation warfare. Remember, that's sort of echoing what Brad Garlinghouse has said about the Strategic Reserve. It is saying, glad to see the President of the United States recognizing we live in a multi-chain world and we're finally moving past Bill Hinman and the Biden administration's SEC very broken thinking. The previous administration with the SEC, they were regulating for enforcement. They weren't setting out clear guidelines. All Ripple wanted to do was follow clear guidelines. They thought they were doing it to the best of their ability, but they got punished for it. XRP holders got punished for it. And we need to end it. On the very last day, the Ripple won the case, and on the very last day, Gary Gensler had a vendetta. He came out and he decided he wanted to appeal it and just give it that last FU to the crypto community. That's what happened. That's what we're here to be against. That's what we don't like. That's what we're making a change about. And you can be a part of it. You can sign the petition. We'll give it to the SEC, and that might make a difference. It might not. It might. I do believe if they hear that the general public is concerned as well, they will drop the case. It is a little bit more complicated than the Coinbase, Gemini, Robinhood. All those cases that have been dropped is a little bit more complicated. That's why I think it's taken a while. But with our final push, we might be able to help. Remember, the SEC is targeting Ripple while there's so many scams going out, there's crypto scams going on. They're not going after them. They're wasting taxpayers' money on this. They don't care about the Ethereum free pass they gave, and they came after Ripple. So there's a lot going on. There's a lot going on that's wrong. There's something we can do to change it. Sign the petition. Be a part of the change. We've got 1,500 signatures. Let's get another 1,000. Let's get it to 2,500 and get it out there. Please do share the petition as well. The link is in the description. It's in the live chat as well. Once that case comes to a close, we will most likely see the Ripple ETF come out. We will likely see XRP as the only currency that's been put out as not a security. A lot more money will be able to flow into XRP. Ripple, the company, will be able to use XRP more. They will have the backing of the SEC. They will be completely vetted. They will come out on top victorious, and consumers and institutions will be happy to use Ripple, will be happy to use XRP's technology, and that will be good. So that's number one. Number two, so we've already got the strategic reserve, which is good. That's going to pump the market. That's going to get us past all-time highs. The Ripple case dropping, in my opinion, will get us to that $4 to $5 range. The ETF is what's really going to get us to $10, and that ETF can come out at any point. First, I think the case will be dropped in the next few months. I won't be surprised to see this XRP ETF be put out. Remember, Brad Garlinghouse has come out and he's spoken to President Trump. He's had a meeting with President Trump, and I'm sure they've discussed an XRP ETF. He might even be gifting some XRP to the reserve. So that's something that's not brilliant, but it still means XRP is part of the reserve. So that might have been what they've talked about. That's just something, my own opinion, I want to put out there. Ripple might gift some XRP to the Strategic Reserve because they hold about 45% of the supply. So that's not going to bring a lot of money in. However, when the ETF comes out, that's when institutions will be buying, and that's when the price of XRP can be moving over to the $10 range. We will hopefully get ETF news in the next 3 months. That's when we will start seeing the price going parabolic, the bubble start to really form. And then the cherry on top to get us, if it does happen, to over to $13, $18, and $33. I won't be holding my breath for it because it might not come at the right time. But the Ripple IPO, even though Ripple is separate to XRP, that will cause some hype for XRP. And if Ripple IPOs, once everything's sorted with this lawsuit, once we've got a part of the XRP part of the strategic fund, and once we've got the ETF, we will probably see a Ripple IPO that will bring more euphoria into the market. That can be the cherry on top that takes XRP past $10 and maybe up to 11, 13, and possibly 18 and $33. I won't be holding my breath for those numbers. I would have taken most of my profits by $10, but we are on a nice trajectory to $10 over this year. Again, it's not financial advice. A recession can happen, a black swan event can happen, World War III can break out, and this can all go terribly wrong. But if things go right, and I'm happy to take the risk, we can be seeing a $10 XRP this year, and that's the road to $10 XRP. That's what I think has to occur. And the chart right now, looking at it on a smaller time frame, with this news of the Ripple of XRB being part of the strategic reserve, him specifically naming it, saying he likes the technology, saying he's a fan of it, is really good news. And that's what would hopefully take us past all-time highs and start taking us to our first real target of $4.70. If you did enjoy the video, please do hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. We do have cryptocurrency merch as well. We'll be doing something, if we get enough people interested, we will do something we did earlier. We've got a few things available right now. Please do support the channel that way. This is me with my XRP mug. But join us for the live shows. I'm live every Sunday. Join us every day. Martyn will be live every single day, every trading day. But as it's a live show, let's get to our live viewers and see if anyone has anything to add. Please do hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't done so already. Let's see what everyone's thoughts are on that. Oh, we've also got this. I forgot to share. Peter Schiff, I'm sure a lot of people know who that is, the gold maximalist. I get the rationale for a Bitcoin reserve. I don't agree with it, but I get it. We have a gold reserve. Bitcoin is digital gold, which is better than analog gold. He doesn't agree with that, but he understands it. But this is where it's a bit funny. So let's create a Bitcoin reserve too. What's the rationale for an XRP reserve? Why the hell would we need that? So strategic reserve, obviously you want assets that could be very important. And that's why XRP is part of it. Amazing technologies.
Savage Faith Creations donated $2 through a super chat. Mods having error issues, sensei.
Okay. We're having moderator issues. Thank you, Savage Faith Creations. There is nothing I can do about that, unfortunately. But thank you for bringing it to my attention. I'll keep an eye on the chat. Maybe I can. Oh, Jenny B's can do it. That's good. Comment not in the chat. I don't see. It's Stephen and Stacy. Okay, I think it's all sorted. But I think the chat is all fine for now anyway. But thank you for supporting the channel and bringing that to our attention, Stacey. Charles Hockinson, who had a bit of a row with XRP and Brad Garlinghouse, he's come to the defense of XRP, saying, because XRP is great technology, a global standard, survived for decades through harsh cycles, and is one of the strongest communities. I think the president made the right decision. So it's great news that Charles Hockinson is back on our side. He's supporting XRP. Remember, his token ADA it's not his token, but the token. He's what's his actual title? I don't think he's got a title, but CTO, something like that. Charles Hokinson's ADA. His token's also part of the reserve, and you can see here the original post. A US crypto reserve will elevate this critical industry after years of corrupt attacks by the Biden administration, which is why my executive order on digital assets directed by the Presidential Working Group to move forward on a strategic crypto reserve that includes XRP, SOL, and ADA. I will make sure the US is the crypto capital of the world again. We are making America great again. That's where it came from. He then also said Bitcoin and Ethereum are, of course, part of it as well. And obviously, Bitcoin and Ethereum are also valuable cryptocurrencies, will be hard to reserve. I love Bitcoin and Ethereum. I also love. So he loves Bitcoin, he loves Ethereum, he loves XRP, he loves Solana, and he loves ADA, is what President Trump is saying. So I'll be excited for the crypto summit. We'll be covering that on Friday as well. You can look over here. XRP's market cap 166 billion. Ethereum's is 302 billion. And I would imagine the circulating supply, technically, in my opinion, XRP's market cap is actually higher than Ethereum's right now. We have got XRP flipping Ethereum because they don't count the non-circulating supply in the market cap. So yeah, the non-circulating supply would probably take XRP above Ethereum, but there is a very good chance, in my opinion, XRP will flip Ethereum this cycle. It's done it before, and I think it will do it again. So yeah, let's have the crypto bubbles are looking absolutely amazing. Look at this, everything green. ADA is the biggest, up 60%. XRP the second biggest, up 31%. We've got the crypto heat map there. If it works, let me reload that. Okay, that's not working, but it's the same as the bubbles, which is there. We've got the XRP merch. If we get enough people doing it, we might do that 50% thing again. We lost a bit of money, but it was fun. So if anyone lets me know, if anyone knows what I'm talking about and you want me to do it again, we can do it. Saab, can you? Yeah, Saab has his message deleted, but it was just a test, so don't worry, Saab. Stacey's got it all sorted again, which is good. Let's have a look at some of your comments. Let me give you the link for the petition again. If you haven't signed the petition, please do sign the petition. Let's see what everyone is saying. 434 people watching, 72 likes. We can do much better than that. Thank you for pointing that out, Dynamite Power. Let's put some music on. It's a good day. Let's celebrate. Let's put some.
The year is 1991. Birds and people are living together in seemingly perfect harmony, until one day a young man catches fire. This is Phoenix.
Let's make sure I play. Here we go, smash that like button. Let's get to 200 likes, 405. I already bought 2 mugs. One, I know you bought 2 mugs already. Thank you very much for doing that. I'm talking to the people that didn't have that opportunity because they weren't tuned into the Sunday show. Smash the like button. What are we on now? 85 likes. We can get to 200 likes. Smash that like button. It's a great day in the cryptoverse today. As Benjamin Cowan would say. We're looking to break $3 next. Have we hit 100 likes? Let's have a look. We can do it. 3 more likes and we hit 100 likes. 3 more likes. You can do it. You can do it without the music. 3 more likes. 99 likes. 1 more like. You can do it. James says, when your mugs arrive, fill them up with tea. Nothing better than a cup of tea. You can have two teas at the same time. My pension is not paid in crypto. I want the US to fix its currency and debt issues, settle global conflicts, and bring our military back to our shores. Ron K, I'm not too sure what you mean by that. I want the US to fix the currency and debt. Yeah. I mean, the reserve could. I mean, Donald Trump has said before, this reserve can pay off the debt, and it's always good to have a strategic reserve. Ian Harp, you might be a member of the Extra channel. You might be a member of the Extra channel, Ian Harp. If you were a member of this channel, you would have a badge next to your name. You can click on this link here, and then see, that will tell you what's going on if you're a member. Well, you're not a member, otherwise you have a badge. But that link there is, if anyone wants to know, that's how to become a member. But also, if you click on it, if you are a member, it will give you all your perks. It will tell you your billing cycles, all that sort of stuff will be on that link. So check that out, Ian Harp. Sometimes if your membership lapses, you can still get it again, and it keeps your badge if you do it within a certain amount of time. Imagine the pump when the case drops. I don't think it'll be as big, Saab, because the case isn't. The case allows other things to happen. It allows Ripple to IPO, allows the ETF to go through. It's about the company Ripple, and we've already got the clarity that XRP is not a security. So the case being dropped might have an initial pump, but I mean, last time the case got dropped, we had a massive, big move to the upside last year. So yeah, it could have a pump, but in my opinion, this is bigger. This is the US government basically saying they're going to buy or hold XRP for a long time. It's going to be taken out of circulation, and that's the US government saying that. Whereas the case being dropped is Ripple, the company, Brad Garlinghouse, and previous founders. You are not going to be fined as much as. XRP is already declared not a security. I don't think that's in the question right now within the lawsuit. So, whereas this again is much more tailored towards XRP, the token. That's my opinion. So let's have a more look at your questions. Ian Harp, you've become a member. Now you've got your wow. Khalid Samasam,
Ian Harp has
Sam
become a
Sam,
member.
Khalid Samsam. Thank you very much for gifting 5 membership. Everyone comment in the chat so you can claim your free membership. Wow. I'm chilling. I'm just chilling because I know what's coming. I love it, MSK. I really hope we get to that $10 mark. That will be incredible. Khalid Samsam, bronze memberships. I think they're all been claimed now, so congratulations. Please do thank Khalid for those memberships. Just buy XRP, 9 others, 4 days in a row buying every day. Be careful, be prepared for a 50% correction, be prepared for an 80% correction, be prepared for a bear market. You are buying in very high now. This is the beginning of an incredible bullish cycle. Yes, unless there is other things that can occur. I mean, the one thing I'm worried about is tariffs. Tariffs will cause inflation to go up. Tariffs, that means interest rates will have to go back up. And then suddenly there might be a recession, which means interest rates will have to come all the way back down, and a sudden move to the downside. And then you've got the whole issue of inflation, recession, interest rates down, and that whole problem. So that is something that can occur. That's something that is not off the cards. If these tariffs do come in play, inflation will go up. So there are things that can cause the cycle to not go as planned. But right now, I am bullish. I don't mind. The risk to reward for me is worth it to be in. Congratulations for your memberships. Please do remember to thank Khalid for getting you those memberships. Lots of perks and benefits for being a member. All those members only chats, members only live streams, all sorts of stuff. Richmond Robotics, please, Sensei. So, God Made a Farmer, you've been a member for a very long time, so let's have a quick look for you. Over 6 months. Rich Tech Robotics. Let's have a look on the week. You're coming back onto your bull market sport band. This will be a nice one for you to ask Martyn for a review for because of the fundamentals. As it looks like it's probably a low market cap. Yeah, 215 million market cap stock. Yeah, your base, your real base is at $1. You are if you've turned bullish now, which the trend seems to have. If we go into the 3-day time frame, you can see you are putting in higher highs. What you need to put in now is a higher low, and a perfect place to do that would be the moving averages. So this would be the first place. If I hadn't got a position, I would be buying here. Again, not financial advice. I would be buying here. If that doesn't go to plan, if you're a trader, you would sell and you wait for $1. If you just want to buy it long term, your next buy position you would be looking at 110 because that's your horizontal support, and then potentially waiting out 50 cents and 33 cents in the worst case scenario. All of those could be buy zones. I'd leave cash for all of those situations as it's such a young company. But your long term, if you do flip bullish at one point or another, you're looking, your first take profit is 23 cents, then $3.82. That's where you topped out last time. Then you look at $6.34. But it looks like the trend is turning bullish. Hit me again. Hope it's fixed now. Yep, it is fixed in Harp. You've got it now. Nice info. Thank you, Tim. To me, it doesn't matter if it cashes 50% from here because I'm a long-term holder, still buying. I'm in the same boat as you, Neo. Saab, once the price drops or once the case drops? Case. Yes, I was an extra. Ian Hart, now you're a member of both, which is the best. Member everywhere. No worries. So God made a farmer. Yeah, there's no real position. There's not an amazing trade setup right now, but if you're looking to get in, you're at the bull market support band, then you've got a few additional areas to get in as well. I hope the SEC drops the case soon. Well, you can do something about it. Sign the petition. We've got 1,501 signatures, 1,509 signatures. So we can do it. Amazing. Let's go back to your comments. Is anyone interested in merch? If you are interested in merch, we did something earlier, and even though we didn't profit much from it, and it was potentially lost money doing it, because it's such a good day, and we want to give back to all the people watching today. We did a 50% sale on these mugs, the SEC versus Ripple mugs. These were there for the petition to commemorate when you signed the petition. So if everyone does sign the petition, and if you want me to do it, only if you sign the petition. Well, I won't be able to tell if you sign the petition or not, but if you do sign the petition, you want to commemorate the day you signed the petition, the day you made change, the day of today where the crypto reserve came out, and you want to remember these, and there's only 5 available. They're limited edition mugs. You get added to Discord. If you want me to, and only if enough people say they want me to do it, I will. We've never done it before. We did it earlier today because it's such a great day. I will give a 50% 50% off discount code for the SEC XRP SEC mugs. Martyn's probably going to kill me because it's martynlucasshop.com, but it's a great day. But if enough people want me to do it, we'll do it. If not, then that's also fine. Holding on, says Khalid. Yeah, I'm holding on as well. What would you? Let me make this a bit bigger because it's a bit small for me to read. What would you put the odds of a sell-off, whether big time or slight, with the selling of XRP news on? I think it will be a sell the news event, unless there's a big announcement. With these events, most of the time, it's more safe to go in thinking it's going to be a sell the news. So I expect there might be a little dip now in the crypto markets because the hype is gone. We might top out a little bit, and then the rest of the week will be building up to Friday, wherever the hype starts building for this crypto event on Friday, where Donald Trump will be hosting, and then that might be a good time to take profit because on Friday, in my experience, a lot of these events end up being sell the news events. So I go into these events thinking it's going to be a sell the news event. If it hits a strategic level for me, I'll be selling as a part of my trading position and maybe a part of my long-term position to see if I can get a better entry. But we'll have to see how this week goes. We'll be covering it live on Friday, so please do subscribe, ring the bell, and we'll be covering it. Maybe me and Martyn will be doing it together. But yeah, we've seen it time and time again where these events turn into sell the news, so we might see it again. And buy more the dip. I recently became active after purchasing in 2021. I would like to move with Uphold. Do you have any suggestions? You can move to a cold wallet, a ledger. You can move to Coinbase, Robinhood, KuCoin, Kraken. Diversify between them all. Do you think there will be a correction down shortly? Yeah. Well, we've had a big pump, so I wouldn't be surprised if we do have a slight correction, but because we're not back above $3. If we get back above $3, my opinion will change because then it's $3.30 and then all-time highs. Depends if we get back above $3 or not, because $3 is the next range, and it looks like we're trying to go for our next pump. So let's see. We might see it live. Let's see if we get that $3 live in this show. That's what we're targeting now, and it's looking like a real possibility. So that's a level to get back above. Here we go. We're getting another pump. Do you think the SEC release is really priced in? No, I don't think so. But again, I don't think it's going to have a massive pump anyway. I think partly it's priced in. I think everyone thinks it's going to be dropped, but no one knows if it is. Volume coming in. Yeah, we're getting some price action now. What about Archer? Will it go up or down? David, I can't predict the future, but we can certainly have a look at Archer very quickly. Archer was a Vaz covered the live stream of the earnings. That's when he had an amazing opportunity at $6. Archer to me is back above support. It's looking at $9.89 next. Once it breaks that, it's back towards all-time highs. But support at $7.70. Next level is at $9.90 for Archer. Keep an eye on XRP because that is pumping right now. $2.91. Keeping an eye on XRP. Let's see if we get back above $3. Yes. Let me get my back to the volume coming in. Cardano now up 63%. Yeah, up 61%. Oh my god! I just read on 4chainbiz that Al Shabat Nusrat Pahlavi is loading heavy bags of XRP. Thank you, Jim Harding. It's pumping to $2.92 now. Yes, we are looking at it live. We're looking to see if it breaks $3. That will be the main level we are targeting. Let me just make sure this is okay. We are pumping again now. Japan is waking up and it could hit $3 easy. That's what we're hoping for. Asian market waking up, getting it back above $3. I think we'll see a pump when Asian market opens. How many hours until the Asian market opens? Is it 30 minutes or an hour and 30 minutes? Obviously, the announcement today is massive. Do you think when they announce how much they intend to buy to the reserve will make another impact? Yeah, I think it will. But remember, there's a possibility that what Brad Garlinghouse is going to do. Remember, Trump loves good deals. He doesn't like spending money. It might just be Brad Garlinghouse gifting some of the XRP Ripple holds to the reserve, or it might be a bit of both. The stock market is still there's manipulation in every market. We just have to do the best we can before Friday, then pump again. I think we got Saab saying I think we got a correction before it goes back up. Yeah, it depends. If we stay below $3, then yeah, correction to maybe down to $2.60 or something like that. But if we get back above $3, then $3 can turn into the next level of support. Hi friends, held all my XRP after last couple of weeks. Glad I did. Congratulations for holding on. Might be worth taking profits now for your situation. I'm not sure. How much XRP do you think the US will hold? Educated guess. I wouldn't know how big this reserve is going to be, but you would imagine. I don't know. It will be hard to say. Ripple holds a lot of XRP, so they could be upwards of $1 billion. But yeah, we'll have to. I would have to do a bit more research. Still manipulation. Still manipulated, and only financial institutions can move the market. Yes, next target $3.60. After $3, what's my next target? Yeah, $3.54. How bad things will go down with a 25 tariff? If the tariff stays and it goes, then a recession can occur. That's how bad it can go. Yeah, a recession can occur. Yeah, Asian market opens at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Well, now I need to confirm what's 8 p.m. 8 p.m. EST to Greenwich Mean Time. 1 p.m. Let me see. What time do Asian markets open? Greenwich Mean Time. Yeah, that is right. They don't open for a few hours, 3-4 hours. So yeah, it will be the same time that the pre-market opens for the stock market. I think Martyn might be covering that, but we'll see. Do you think we'll get a pull it in Cardano before Friday? Pull back. Cardano, let's have a quick look at it. Before Friday, I think Friday could be a pullback day, but yeah, I mean, you definitely can get a pullback, but right now you're very much, you break $1.22, you're off. There's always a chance for a pullback, especially after a big move to the upside. And if there is a pullback, then you're looking at maybe 90 cents. But I wouldn't hold my breath for a pullback, and I wouldn't be chasing it either. If you're in, you're in. You're not in, then you have to wait. But it is very possible that you might miss it. You might go past $1.22, and that's it, and that's it, and that's ADA for the cycle, gone, finished. But it's very unlikely. You normally get pullbacks, whether it's today, tomorrow, or 3 months' time when you get a 50% correction, something like that. It's pumping right now. Yeah, we are looking at $2.90, $2.92. $3 is the key level to get back above. Let's be honest, if we're all holding XRP and have done since last year, congratulations to us all. It's very exciting now. Yes, it is very exciting. I mean, I've been live for 3 years covering XRP, and certainly exciting to finally see it moving. If US plans on paying down national debt with crypto XRP, will most likely see 3 digits if US plans on holding 5 billion XRP. That's my guess. Thank you, Diamond, for your guess. Do consider becoming a member of the channel. That's the membership link. Once they swept up all the liquidity above the market, they will drop down to discount and repeat. Yeah, there is always pumps and dumps happening all the time. Let's have a look at what else is performing well today. Sologenic, look at this. This is one of our top picks for this cycle as well. That's up 31% today now. I think it's still undervalued. So that's performing well. Solana is trying to get back above its resistance, getting back into the bull market territory, trying to get back above its bull market support band. Solana's not my top pick. I don't actually think I own Solana, but congratulations to all Solana holders. XLM is something we've looked at, double bottom situation here, which in my opinion can take this back all the way up to 64 cents and potentially all-time highs when XRP goes on its next big move. We're looking at 78 cents and potentially $1 as well for XLM. So XLM is lagging a bit behind XRP, but I think it will catch up. And remember, Donald Trump said it's not limited to those cryptocurrencies. He's looking at other good ones as well. XLM might be one of them, because I think XLM is a US technology as well. Let's do a quick search and see if that is right. Is XLM made in USA?
Vaz donated £9.99 through a super chat. Would you have time to look at this Microvision, please? Thanks for being here every Sunday. And don't take things personally. They are meant in good and the greatest intentions. Victory hand, victory hand.
Brilliant. Thank you, Vaz. Let's thank you for being here, and thank you very much. We will look at Microvision. Thank you for supporting the Sunday show. So yeah, XLM is based in the US. So is HBAR, Solana, Algorand, Stellar, Filecoin. So Filecoin could be a very exciting one because that is very undervalued right now. So let me put it out there. If Filecoin, is Filecoin US technology? Just double checking that. Filecoin. Yeah, it looks like it is. Well, Filecoin. Well, now I've just got that confirmation. We did say we might look at some potential ones: Algorand, HBAR, XLM, and then we've got Filecoin. Which, if this is part of the reserve, you're looking big returns, because Filecoin is the one that's really at its bear market lows, its all-time lows, really. Massive base on Filecoin at these levels. We've seen it time and time again where it bounces off these $2 ranges. Now it's at $3. My first target for Filecoin is a double from where we are. And if you look at last cycle where Filecoin went, it went to the moon, $240, and it's currently set at $3. If that's part of the reserve, again, risk to reward, the risk is it's probably not going to be part of the reserve because it's such a small market cap, and it's not one of the main tokens. But the reward, if it is massive. $3.57. If that's part of the reserve, you're looking at $100 Filecoin. So, and that happened very quick last cycle. Again, unlikely it is, but it is a US technology. Is the reward there? Worst case, if there's an altcoin run, Filecoin will do well anyway. So keep Filecoin in mind. It is still very much at its lows around $3.50. Vaz just did a super chat, so let's have a look at his request. Thank you very much for the £10 super chat. Microvision. Vaz is actually one of the content creators on this channel, just like me. It's Martyn's channel, and we go live. He did his first live stream the other day covering Archer Aviation on What a Dip, which he was covering. So you might see Vaz on the channel. Do give him some love and support. Microvision. So this has been around for a while. It's in a big downtrend, but we've got some sort of base. Market cap is 326 million. Good news is it doesn't look like the downtrend's continuing. It looks like you're trying to form a bottom of some kind. Capitulation bottom was about 20 cents, then from 20 cents it went all the way up to $27. This has been in a downtrend for a while, but in terms of trading, you're looking at the range lows around 80 to $1. You're above the bull market support band, so what I would do is take a Fibonacci from these highs down to these lows. You're looking at your first target around $7, $7, and even probably $5. That can happen very easily, and that's what it looks like might happen next. Just trying to see if there's anything else we can look at. Let's go on the 3-day time frame. The other issue is you are in a very medium short-term downtrend as well, which you can't really chart. But what you have to look out for is this to be the bottoming structure here, and you could have told that. Here you go, you've got 3 lows, lower lows, but on the RSI you've got higher lows. That's triple bullish divergence. That is one big indicator that you've got a change in momentum, and that's what pushed it up. Right now you've got not much bullish structure. The only thing you've got going on, you're above the bull market support band. What you want to really see is to make a higher high, and the next high is around $2.70, and you want to continue making higher lows and start changing this structure and heading to your next target. The target to the upside is $6. The support below, you're looking at 90 cents to $1, around $1.08. That's your support below. Keep an eye on it. If you don't have to super chat again, but if you want to just say you want an update on this token next time we're live, and then we'll see if there's any difference. Right now, the only thing you've got going for it is a support level that's been made. Below it, you've got the bull market support band, you're above it, and now what you need to do is start breaking previous highs, $2.81, and keeping these higher lows. This could be a higher low. The higher low could be at $1, and then start trying to target, if you get past $2.74, $5.90. The next buy-in for XLM, well, again, XLM's buy-in was a couple of days ago. Again, it's not really, I don't like using the term buy-in, but just the last level of support was, what we looked at was a double bottom situation, which was this previous low there, which was at 26 cents. However, that's been and gone. We have to look at the next level, and right now you're at it. You're really sort of at it. I mean, 30 cents is a possibility. The bull market support band's here. You're getting back above 34 cents, which is a support. So this is all of this area. It is the level you're looking at. You've got a double bottom scenario. You're breaking out from 35 cents. These are the levels. This is the box. This is the buy zone. Because it's the support, it's a bull market support, you just got the double bottom. That's when you start targeting 64 cents. But that requires the broader market to continue moving to the upside, or at least stabilizing. But in technically speaking, this is the buy zone. The official one was 25 cents as the double bottom. The next one is at 20 cents, but you are within the zones of an initial buy for XLM. or a top up zone. I would leave some on the side in case you get a correction, because 18 cents would be next if you break the double bottom lows. So again, if you're just trying to get in, if you've never got in before, you're at the buy zone. If you're trying to top up, then you're still looking at these levels. If you want a perfect trading position to open up, you're looking at 30 cents. At a technical level, you're looking at 25 cents. Then you're looking at 19 cents for XLM. I bought some XLM at 60 cents, so I want it lower. Yeah, I mean, I bought XLM at. I think we were live on the show when we were looking at XRPs, just pumped that XLM will be next, and then XLM did that sort of 3x within a week. I bought then, but I've also been buying in again XLM now, because those times have passed. They might come back, but they might also be past. Are you sure about that fib? What were we just looking at, Vaz? This will be good. This will be in Vaz's learning charts. If I'm wrong and he's pointed it out, that would be very good. Microvision, my Fibonacci. Oh, well, yeah, it's a long-term Fibonacci. We're looking at the highs. Might be slightly off, but yeah, there we go. And the lows. This is a very long-term fib. Yeah, highest to lows. Go a bit lower if you like. There you go. This is your main target Fibonacci's, and you're looking at, yeah, the 236 is at $7. So yeah, I mean, there'll be different Fibonacci's you can look at. You can look at a shorter term Fibonacci as well, from this high to this low. And then those will be the other levels we're talking about, $2, 58. But yeah, the main Fibonacci you're looking at $7.24. But if you want to look at a shorter term version of it, you take it from this high, go to this low, and it's the same levels we were just talking about as well, which is getting back, making a higher high, making a higher high above $2.54, and then again the Fibonacci will line up with getting to that 786,236, which is around $7.28. There we go. But it was I certainly will. Thank you. Looking good to me. They have upscaled the production capacity to satisfy increased demand. Well, yeah, it's sat at a very low price, one of the lowest ever prices. It looks like it's bottomed out on the short term, and it's back above its bull market support band. Tariffs were priced in, no impact. Yeah, no impact yet. No inflation starts going through the roof. I'm a beginning at this. Shall I sell my XRP and buy it again? Mohammed Sad, if you're a beginner, again, firstly, don't take financial advice from me, but let me share some mistakes. If you're a beginner, this is what beginners do. Beginners come in, they make some money, and then they think it's free money. They think it's the easiest thing ever, and then they end up losing money for years, and then they get put off crypto. If you're a beginner, again, it's not financial advice, but don't. Well, this one can be financial advice. I don't mind going down with the FCA for saying this, but don't put in more than you can afford to lose. That's the number one thing I would say. Lots of crypto scams out there. So if someone says, "I'll double your crypto, but send it to this wallet," don't do it. That's a scam. If anything sounds too good to be true, it's too good to be true. There's lots of crypto scams out there. Never send it. Never send crypto to a wallet you don't know what's going on. There's a lot of fake videos out there. Lots of scammers on Twitter and YouTube videos as well. If you're beginning at this, shall I sell my XRP and buy it again if it drops? No, don't trade. If you trade, 95% of traders lose their money. That's what's going down below here. The reason we do charts is not because of trading, it's more so we can control our emotions. Once you start trading, your emotions go through the roof and you make the wrong decisions. You basically, what you end up doing, every beginner does this, you end up buying at the top and you start selling at the bottom. So you need to control your emotions. If you want to be part of the crypto community, what you have to do is do some research, watch some videos, join our shows every Sunday, ask questions to community, become a member. Here's the membership link. Ask questions in Discord. Everyone will help out. We've all been through this before. Should I buy? It's probably not best buying and selling. It's probably best to just buy gradually. Don't buy more than you can afford to lose. Don't leverage up, and just buy at a level, and then think in your head, what level, what price would I be happy to sell, and just stick to it. If you want to double, if you want to buy XRP today and you'll be happy with it going to $4, then just write that down and say, I bought it today and I want to sell at $4. Stick to your goals, but also remember it might never go to $4, or you might have to hold it for 4 years. If you start trading it, every trade you do, you're more likely to lose it. 95% of traders lose money. And crypto is so volatile anyway, and it's volatile to the upside, so you don't really need to trade to make money with crypto. A lot more I can say to you, Mohammed Saad, but join the channel, become a member, and we can share the mistakes we've done previously, and all members can help you out. We've got a very good family here. What price do you see this week? Hopefully all-time highs, $3.50 and beyond. Liquidity is huge on the weekly. Let's go back to XRP because we're going to get the weekly candle close as well. So let's have a look at the week as well. XRP is $2.90. Let's have a look at the weekly candle. It'll be nice to close above $3.10. But yeah, nothing too special about that weekly candle. It's good that we held the bull market support. Yeah, oh, I'm not even showing you it. Here's the weekly candle. Be good to get back above $3.10, but nothing too special about the weekly candle close. Liquidity huge. Yeah, the volume is there's a lot of volume this week. Microvision is not a buy, says Bunga Bunga. Yeah, I understand. Thank you. Mohammed Said, thank you very much. Thinking about putting 10,000 XRP. If it was going to $100, why shouldn't I? No one knows it's going to $100. It's very risky. You could lose it all. Why shouldn't you put 10,000 to XRP? Well, maybe your situation doesn't allow you to lose the 10,000. Maybe you won't. Maybe XRP drops 80% tomorrow. Maybe it's the bear market. Maybe that $10,000 will be worth. You can buy a lot more XRP in the bear market. $100 is not going to happen in the next year. That would require a lot of money to go in. It might be a bear market, there might be a recession, you might need the money later on, and the price has gone down too low for you to be able to use it. You might put it in the wrong exchange. You might all sorts. I mean, $100 might not occur. There might be a better cryptocurrency that comes out between now and then. Um, yeah, I mean, there's plenty of reasons why you shouldn't put $10,000 into XRP, but there's plenty of reasons you should as well. So do your own research. Hi Sensei, I hope you're doing well. Can you take a look at render? Death. Hopefully, when you get your one month badge, we can start doing some more requests. But for now, we have to focus on the members that have the one month badge and beyond, because today's stream very busy. So what I'm going to do is have a quick look at it anyway. Oh, didn't mean to do that. But just when we're very busy, we sometimes just go super chats only. But instead of doing that, I'd rather look at people that have been members for longer and still try and do some requests from the members. Render USD. Here we go. Render. Nothing too special happening with render. Again, I've had a lot of channels pumping and dumping this, but $2.60 would be the next level of support. You're below your bull market support band. The trend is to the downside. You're looking at $2.60 next on render. The next one was Solana for Sav, who's got his 1 month badge. So congratulations to you, Solana USD. Sol USD. Yeah, Solana. I mean, it has gone on its bull market. It's had massive gains already, 3,000%, 2,000% from its bear market lows. How much higher can it really go? Maybe back to all-time highs. But right now, you're below your bull market support band. You're trying to get back above the trend line. I imagine you will get back above it. Then you've got your bull market support band. It's not a buy for me at all right now because you're up against resistance. Then you've got more resistance. It's not a buy for me at all right now. But it probably will go up to the upside at some point. It'll probably break out, and then you're probably looking at resistance at $210, and then probably targets of $260. And this cycle, maybe $400 will be the top for Solana. Oh, Just noticed. Hopefully, Martyn wasn't waiting too long, but we've got Martyn in the green room. So let's bring Martyn on the show. Let me put him full screen. Martyn, you're live on the show.
Hiya, Sensei. Lovely to be here, doing a great job. The only reason why I came on is I heard you mention about after you finish here. I just want to know what time you want to finish. Just give me a rough idea. We are going to carry on throughout the evening. Look at this, folks. I've got this set up. It's a great day for America, and we kind of want to watch throughout the night. So as Sensei finishes, this live stream is going to begin. XRP, it's begun with the flag there of the United States. So we're going to cover this throughout the evening because in a few hours' time we've got the opening bell. We've got the overnight hours, and then at 2 a.m. in the morning you'll see a lot of movement on the markets because at midnight, of course, we have the tariffs, and then at 7:30 I'll be live in the studio. So it'll be live all throughout the night. You can watch the price of XRP on the screen, talk to the team, talk to everybody. I'll be in and out watching what's going on and all those key moments at 7 p.m. Central, at midnight, the tariffs, 2 a.m. And then, of course, I'll be sat in the hot seat at 7:30 in the morning. Sensei, just let me know what time you'll be finishing, and that'll be great. Thank you, mate. Back to you.
Thank you very much, Martyn. We will probably be ending the show in about 10-15 minutes on the hour. So we look forward to the live watch. Thank you, Martyn, for setting that up. But yeah, we will be ending the show in about 10 minutes. Just going through some more members' questions. We did Solana. Hello, what time do you think XRP? What time do I think XRP can get to $5? I'm not sure. I don't think it'll be today. This year, I imagine. Next 3 months. Sorry, Martyn, I didn't see it. For some reason, I didn't get that bell that you normally get. There's so many comments. I need to do this quickly. I'm going to just focus on members for a second. We should have a crypto call in on Sunday, Sunday, Sensei. Oh, that is a good idea, but we do only go live for about an hour on a Sunday, but I could set something up though, Saab. That's a good idea. Thank you, Saab. I will take that on board. Yeah, I would have to set up a scene for that, but good idea, Saab. Your channel is great. Glad you answered my questions. No worries, Michael Murphy. Sometimes we have to focus on members' questions. Right now, I'm a bit behind in the chat, so I'm going to focus on members' questions. But if we have time, we like to answer everyone's questions. I've only woken up and crypto's gone up, way up. What's been happening? Well, the Strategic Reserve has been announced by Donald Trump, and XRP, Solana, ADA, Bitcoin, and Ethereum are part of it. And the Strategic Reserve has been confirmed. How is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin's doing fine. What we're trying to do is get it back above $100. I say not $100, $100,000. And by we, I don't think we can move the market on Bitcoin, but Bitcoin's back above the bull market support band. It looks like it was a quick blip to the downside, V-shaped recovery, back into its parallel channel. So I'd expect it to get back above $100,000 maybe before Friday. Remember, I think we're going to have a move to the upside, and then Friday when we cover the Trump event for crypto, the summit, we will possibly see a sell the news event. Do you think the Asian market will pump it? Yeah, I think the Asian market will pump it. Saab, surely Sensei's wife would have appreciated it, but I second that. Appreciated what, lads? Surely, what does Saab say? So I'm surely Sensitive Wife would appreciate it, but I don't know what's going on. Why is market pumping? Trump's been tweeting. Yeah, that's a good way of putting it. Bunga bunga. Yeah, Trump's been tweeting. Market's going up. Sorry, Martyn, I didn't see you in the green room. Bunga bunga. Why is Microvision not a buy? Thank you. AD is a surprise for me today. XRP and Solana unit US-based coins were kind of expected, but Cardano is a US-based token as well. This is not limited to them. There could be more. Microvision's announcement on expanding production was months ago, and the price didn't move. Your money's better invested elsewhere. That is Bunga Bunga's opinion. What is your current opinion on ledger wallets? Are they a must-have, and is it safe to keep your investments on exchanges like Coinbase and Crack? Again, I don't want to give financial advice because you might get hacked easier, but in my opinion, if you're not holding life-changing amounts of money, and you need to be very, very safe with it. Then splitting it between exchanges is not a bad idea, because you can very easily go onto the exchange and exchange it for US dollars or whatever you want to do. Kraken's been around for a long time. Coinbase is SEC regulated. You should be fairly safe with them. But I store mine on a ledger, just because it means you don't want to trade as much, and also it's the safest. But again, a lot of people have problems when they move it from. There's a chance that they're going to lose their tokens, or lose their ledger, or lose their password. So it's whatever's right for you. Do some research, but I think Kraken and Coinbase are fairly are safe. Morning Sensei, can you please look at RGTI stock for me? Yeah, let's have a quick look. RGTI. Oh, RGTI is looking good. It's first level is the bull market support band. Moving averages, it's come back down after a big move to the upside. It's filled the gap. Yeah, you're looking at your first level at $7.81, next level at $5.48, and what you're targeting is $12 for RGTI. So thanks for bringing that to our attention. It's at its first support level, and the next support level was at $5. So I'd split my buys between the two. Again, not financial advice, just what I would do. Need to just focus on the members' questions for a second. Bring a moment there. I've not reported earnings yet. I disagree. It could, yeah. I mean, sometimes the news comes out, and then real institutions will just keep buying it up, and then you see it move 6 months later. Your money, your call. ADA is Cardano. Yes, that's right. What a beautiful day in the crypto. President Trump has made my day. We are all back in the game again. Time in the market always wins. Brenton Meadows, Aussie Radio Picker, lovely to have you on the Sunday show. You are right. What an amazing day. And I think we're going to do it. We'll do it. We'll limit it to what we're going to do. We're going to do it. It's been a great day. We've done it once already today. Before we end the show, we've only done it today only. I'm going to release 5 more 50%, 50%, should we make it 10? Might bankrupt us, the new merch store. 50% off the SEC mug. I'm going to release I'm going to release the discount code. We've never done it before. Today's the only day, because it's such a great day in the market. We need to give back. And I know a lot of people want to be part of the community. A lot of new people have found the channel. Remember what perk you get with this. Firstly, just sign the petition, because we're doing this. We're giving you 50% off the merch. Sign the petition, because we need to demand the SEC drop the case. That we are going to put this to the SEC. We are going to make change. First name, last name. Here's the link for that. Remember to confirm the email. We're trying to get 2,000 signatures now, and this is visible to the SEC. And at some point, we'll put it to the SEC to drop the case. And what we did for this, we made some mugs. The one, that's what we did in the earlier show. We sold out within, I think it was about a minute once we released the 50% discount code. We've got these 2 over here. 5 available of each. There was originally 15 available, but now there's only 5 available of each. And I think what we're going to do for these SEC mugs, we're going to put out a 50% discount code. It will go within seconds, and it's just a little thank you to everyone tuning in. What a great day for the crypto markets. It's a day to commemorate. You can commemorate it with this mug, showing that you signed the petition, showing that you're part of the XRP movement, so you can look back on this day. Let's get some hype in the chat. Let's get the music going. We're going to give you the code. It's a 50% discount code. You can use it on either of these SEC mugs. I'm going to give you the link for the shop. I think let's get to a like. Everyone smash the like button. We're doing this. This is special, never done before. We're probably going to lose money on it, but we want to give back. We want everyone to be part of the community. Remember, if you buy one of these mugs, you'll be added to the XRP merch club, where me and Martyn are going to be doing a tea time where we talk to you off air about anything, crypto markets, anything. We're going to be off air. You're going to be part of the exclusive club on Discord for all members. We've got 509 people watching. These mugs are going to sell out within a second of me giving you the discount code. So smash the like button. Let's all get hyped up. It's an amazing day. We want to give back. Let's do it. You ready? Should we do it? Should we do it? I'm always nervous because we never know if you're going to break even or lose money. When we do a 50% drop, we're probably definitely going to lose money. But it's fine. We're giving back. You guys give super chats. Let's give back to you. Here is the link. This is the link for the mugs. At one day, these might be worth a lot. The channel grows. You've got the 1 of 5 mug on the SEC mugs. Here's the link for the mugs. I'm going to give you the discount code. That's the link for the XRP collection. Remember, we pay for the licensing of the XRP logo. These are official logos. Sign the petition, commemorate the day. 50% off code. It's the same as before, XRP50. XRP50. There's the link to the mugs. That's the link to the latte mug. That's a very big, solid mug. There it is. That's the solid mug there. That's the latte mug. This is a 15-ounce mug, so it's bigger than your normal mug. Here's it. Sign and donate it. Time to get the mug. Links are in the chat. What a great day. Let's give some cheers. Code is XRP50. XRP50. These will sell out. When we did it earlier, it sold out within 2 minutes. For example, let me add this to cart. And then you add it to cart, and then in the cart it says promo code. You put in XRP50, you get 50% off. We've never done it before. We probably lose money on it, but why not give back? We did it earlier with that mug. Now we're doing these 2 mugs. XRP50. Get your mug, sign the petition, commemorate the day. What an amazing day. Get yourself an XRP mug. And that's a little thank you from us to you for tuning in. Code is XRP50, all one word. Sorry, I did it 2 words there. XRP50, and then you get the 50% off. Yes, Sick Vampire. It was because we were using the proceeds to fund the petition, and also each of these mugs are creating a place with you. We give you the shipping, all that sort of stuff. So that one was a special mug for the proceeds to be used against ads. That's why we can do the 50%. But wow. Congratulations. If you get those mugs, they will sell out any second now. Thank you all for tuning in. Martyn's going to have a full-on trading. Let's see if we can thank all the people that are part of the show. Martyn's going to have a very special show for you guys now where you can talk all night. But what a day. We're going to be covering it on Friday as well. We might do another special live stream throughout the week. But if you have enjoyed the show, please do subscribe. Please do hit the like button. Thank you all for tuning in. I need to go and make sure we don't sell more than 5 mugs, because we will probably, Martyn won't be very happy with me. But again, here's the link for the shop, XRP merch. The code is XRP50. Don't worry, we will keep it live until they sell out. But until next time, take care of yourselves. Remember, you get lots of perks and benefits with the mug. You get added to the Discord. You get part of the. Make sure you take a picture and put it into Discord so you can get added to the special channel. Until next time, take care of yourselves. Brendan, I know Aussie Radio Pickers has bought himself a mug. Thank you very much for supporting the channel. Now you've got yourself a mug. Until next time, thank you all for your subscribing. We only bought a mug on the dip. It is a dip. We probably won't do it again. I love it. Aussie Radio Picker, thank you for tuning in. Thank you everyone for tuning in. What a special day. And hopefully this petition, we can push it out. We will get the SEC to drop the case. And I think we'll have a nice year this year with XRP. We'll be covering every single event. But until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Bye-bye.